god, it's hair. That is so ghetto. You see how I just start the video off so ghetto?
Hey, that shit on TNT.
What's up, Barbie Yanas? Welcome back to the party, Yana. And I know it's sad that you can't see my face, but it's because in today's video we're gonna be doing another nail video. Oh my god, it's hair. That is so ghetto. You see how I just start the video off so ghetto? Like, my bad, y'all. But in today's video we're gonna be doing another nail video from Shein, and today we have some pink. I don't know what kind of style this is, but it's really cute and my favorite color pink, so I had to pick these nails out. And they have jewels on them and it's giving me very much Barbie bling bling vibes, so y'all already know what's up. This is how the packaging look, y'all already know what Shein got going on in their little nail packaging. They don't give you no glue, which is ghetto, but it is what it is. You know, it's cheap. It is what it is. They come with like little stickies though, so you can use that. If you ain't got no glue for real, you can use that. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then they give you this file, which is ghetto. Like I said in my last video, I said this was ghetto, and somebody tried to come for me and tell me that's because it's cheap. Nobody asked you, shorty. Leave your comments to yourself. Thank you, bitch. Anyway, it comes with a little file, you know, very ghetto. You can't really, you can use it to file your nails, I mean, but it's not gonna do what needs to be done. But it comes with that. And then last but not least, it comes with the nails or whatever, and it only has 2 nails with the diamonds on them, so that's pretty, you know, sad, but it is what it is. These are how the nails look, y'all, and I'm about to sort them out and find my nail sizes. And after I find my nail sizes, I'm gonna start filing the nails down to my size so I can fit them on my hand. So let's get started. I just want to let y'all know that the nail with the diamond on it is really big, so if you have small fingers like me, I suggest that you put the diamond one on your middle finger, but you're gonna have to have a really good file. I don't know what kind of file this is, but it has to be like a certain grit, like grit 60 or grit 18. I don't know. I really do not know, but it has to be a really good file. If they like $10, they probably a good file. Don't get the cheap files if you're trying to file down these nails. Like this one, like the one Shein gave y'all, you gonna have to get another file, because you're gonna be sitting there all day trying to, like, girl, what is that gonna do? Like, for real, like, it's, what is it doing for us, guys? Tell me what it's doing. But right now I'm currently filing all the nails down, so here's a close-up, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I got all the nails filed down or whatever, and I'm going to be using this Kiss, y'all, why is hair everywhere? I'm going to be using this Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue. I do recommend this. It's, you know, better than Dollar Tree nail glue, so it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? And so I'm finna beat it up like this, and then I'm finna to faithfully start putting these nails on. I got them all sorted out. So yeah, y'all, let's get started. I just totally forgot that I'm supposed to file my nails down before I even glue these down, so let me go ahead and file these down. Ooh, y'all, these, it hurts when I file my natural nails down. I don't know why, it just does. All right, y'all, let's get it going. god, y'all, these is fire. Y'all, these is fire. I ain't even gonna cap with you for real. These, like, what? Do y'all see these? These was $4.50, and I think I paid like probably $2 or $3 because I always use discounts. I use Bad Nana code. Shout out to her. Y'all need to let her know. If you watch Bad Nana too, tell her I be using her code. I use her code on every single order. So y'all, these look really fire. If you watch my nail videos, you already know what I do next. I put baby oil or coconut oil on my hand. So this time I think I'm gonna use coconut oil. So alright, y'all, I got a chunk of it. I'm gonna just rub that on my hands. I never actually use coconut oil to like do for my nail videos, but this time I am. So, oh my gosh, why I look like that? Oh my god, it's so shiny. It's so shiny. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me turn the brightness all the way up. Alright, you guys, this is the finishing look, and I'm totally in love. Like, these is really Barbie doll nails. These is really giving me, I'm a Barbie girl. Guess what? In a Barbie world, I'm trying to turn on the white light for y'all. It looks so pretty. I'm in love, y'all. That's all I gotta say is I'm in love. They're really pretty. Like, what's understood does not have to be explained. Simple, period, y'all. Y'all didn't check out my tattoo with it, like. By the way, this is fake. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and give me to 1,000 subscribers. Y'all, it's the next day with these nails, and they changed colors on this specific nail. So they are $4, so you get what you pay for, but the pink part of the nail is starting to change colors on like both hands or both fingers.